Unpredictable world of the stock market, a system that drives economies and makes fortunes. But where did it all begin? Let's dive into the fascinating history of how buying and selling shares became the cornerstone of global finance. Before stocks, there was barter, trading goods for other goods. As trade grew, people realized they needed something more efficient. By the 12th century, merchants in Europe began forming partnerships and sharing profits, laying the groundwork for what we now know as investment. Fast forward to the Dutch Golden Age. In 1602, the Dutch East India Company issued the first ever shares to the public. Investors pooled their money to fund trading voyages to Asia. In return, they got a share of the profits or losses. This groundbreaking idea led to the creation of the first stock exchange in Amsterdam. Here, people could buy and sell these shares, making the company's success a public venture. Fun fact, some of these voyages took years, and investors anxiously awaited their returns. Literally. Let's hop across the Atlantic to 1792. In New York City, 24 stockbrokers gathered under a Buttonwood tree on Wall Street. They signed the Buttonwood Agreement, creating what would eventually become the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE. Wall Street quickly became the epicenter of American finance, where fortunes were made and lost at lightning speed. By the 1920s, the stock market was booming. Ordinary people were investing like never before. But when speculation grew out of control, it all came crashing down. In October 1929, the market collapsed, marking the start of the Great Depression. This event changed the world forever, leading to stricter regulations to stabilize markets. Today, the stock market has gone digital. Platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade let anyone invest with a few taps. But the same principles remain. It's about sharing risks, funding innovation, and for some, striking it rich. The stock market now touches every corner of the world, fueling businesses, economies, and dreams. The stock market is more than numbers and charts. It's a story of ambition, risk, and progress. From Amsterdam to Wall Street to the palm of your hand, it's a history still being written every day. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this quick dive into the history of the stock market. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories from the past.